Hello guys, here I have a Samsung washing machine, Samsung WW80T504DAEA, and today I'm gonna show you how you can start your laundry process wirelessly. So in the first step we have to open the smartphone apps. If you didn't pair your device with your smartphone, you can find the video on our channel. Now just choose your washer. And as you can see, there is a screen that we can manage the laundry process. So if you want to just start it, click on the start button. If you want to change the cycle, click on the echo or the center of the screen, and now you can choose your cycle. Then click on the OK to apply it and choose the times for the rinse. Click on the OK. Now you can also manage the temperature, the rinse, the speed of the spin, manage your cycle list. You can also turn on the bubble soak and remaining laundry. You can also turn on the style connect if you want to be connected with your washing machine during the laundry. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.